Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick one just to give you a few updates on what's going on. It's really sunny out, and don't let that fool you because it did snow last night. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but before we get into it, I did buy something for the Nexus 7. Pretty much just leveled it up. It's a device called CarLinkIt, which basically adds Android Auto / Apple CarPlay. So it can pretty much run those two apps on the Nexus 7 screen. I'll leave a link for it in the video description. It is pretty cool so far. I tested it out for a week already. Everything seems to be working smooth. I did have to play with the settings a little bit, but it seems to be running pretty good. It is a little dongle right here. Let me show you guys. There's a little dongle right here. I'll probably put a little B-roll in, but yeah. It's called CarLinkIt. Basically connect the dongle to the little USB hub that I have and connect my phone to the dongle and install the app, and it's pretty much good to go. I haven't tested it out thoroughly. Waze does lag a little bit, but it's all good because I have the full navigation app and Spotify works perfect. So those are the two things that I mainly use in the car when I go on road trips and stuff. So I'm excited for that. And let me show you what's going on outside. Damn, it's really sunny and windy, but yeah, as you can see, the snow just shoveled earlier in the morning. Really windy. Wow. Man, I lost some footage, but basically what I wanted to give you guys was an update on the winter wheels. This is how it's looking after 1 month. I purposely didn't clean it to test out its durability and how it would hold up to winter conditions. Did not peel, but it does look dirty. The rears are super dirty compared to the fronts. Might be a combination of the conditions and brake pads. Don't mind the salty car. I did have to drive on the highway to play ball earlier. Looking at them both, fronts look a lot more white. But overall, I'm really satisfied with how they're holding up so far. I'll give my final thoughts about Plasti Dip when winter ends and we put on different wheels. We're back in the car, and just to give you a quick update on the wheels, this is the second time I've driven in snow, and I gotta say, the traction is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I have slipped just a little bit, but nothing too crazy. So it is doing its job, and I feel definitely feel safe. So that's #1 priority. So in the next video, I'm actually gonna work on my 3-year review of this car. What I've been through, what I've done to it. I have a list, and I keep a log of everything that I've done so far to the car. I usually put the mileage, what I've done to the car, and it's a good way to keep track of what I've done because my memory sucks, honestly. So, and I think it's good for me because I can see and backtrack if I have any issues in the future. I hope you guys do that too, or at least some way of doing it. I don't really keep the receipts, unfortunately, so that's gonna suck if I ever sell this car or give it to another owner or whatnot. But so definitely keep an eye out for that. I do have some stuff in the works. I'm actually really excited to show you guys, but I'm waiting for all the parts to come before I show you guys. All the parts are in the basement, and it's just like waiting, and I can't wait to work on it. Alright, I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.